Yes guys, hello and welcome back to another video. Do you want a dyno and Beam.Ng drive like this? Find out what brake horsepower the cars are in Beam.Ng drive.
Shut up and take my money!
Today, luckily for you, I'm going to show you how to get it, where to get it from, and how to use it. And we'll use it on a few cars and we'll see what brake horsepower they are. Anyway, let's get straight into it without messing around. Let's go. So, you join me in the game, right? You've just spawned in like this, and you want to spawn a dyno. I'm going to spawn the dyno here. Let's say I'm going to spawn the dyno here to make it look good for the video, and it's here. All-wheel dyno, okay? Replace current vehicle. Right, fantastic. The dyno is now spawned in. Let me spawn in a vehicle. What vehicle can we try? We've not tried before. Let's try the BMW M3. Okay, let's try this car. Spawn new car. Right, we've got the BMW in. Now we've got to put it on the dyno. So carefully put the car on the dyno. Now what you do is switch to the dyno and you have little controls. I need to minute my face a little bit, 2 seconds. So what it is these controls here. So what you need to do is move the dyno to make it shorter. Press G to make the dyno smaller. And then go back to your car, move your car forward a little bit. Right, and it's nearly on, as you can see. Press tab again and then press G to make it a little bit smaller. Make sure the car's sat like sort of as close to the middle as possible. And then what you do is you press control, hold control down, and these are what you call nodes. You need to attach this to the bottom of the vehicle with your mouse. You drag it along and just hit your little scroll wheel, click there. Then it attaches it to the car, and the same this side. You kind of don't put it on anything stupid like a wheel or anything like that, or any part of the outside. Try and put it underneath the car, and then just press again on the middle of the mouse. Just press the little button, right? And then now you see the car's fell off the dyno. So what you need to do now is decrease the strap tension. So press Y, and it'll decrease the strap tension until the car is sitting where you want it to sit on the dyno. So as you can see, it's now sat sort of on the middle of the dyno, as you can see. Yeah? And what you do now is press exit on your keyboard and go to AI apps, and then add app, and then find the app where it says engine and horsepower. So there you go, dyno. And what I usually do is what I usually stream, and if I'm doing a dyno video, what I'll do is I'll put everything you see on top of the screen like this. I recommend putting the car in realistic mode, so changing it to manual pretty much, right? And then turn traction off. All the traction control must be off. So, and then what you do is, I usually make sure the car, as you can see on the bottom right hand side, it's in manual mode. So what you do is, gather a bit of speed first. So get in fifth, and then try again. Full throttle. There you go. Now to read that graph, I would probably say it's around 490. Excuse the big... if it goes over and it comes back down and goes over, that is just the wheel spinning, I believe. So again, go from low RPM. So it has a bit of a weird curve on this car. It goes like really low and then sort of averages out between 560 and 490, but I would go for 490. So how I would now take this car off the dyno is just reset the dyno is the best thing. So switch to the dyno and then just press R, so then the dyno sets back to its original position, and then obviously just take the car off. Right, take the car off and then select another vehicle. I'll show you this crazy RS3. I will include these vehicles in the description, so just check the description. Everything will be in there. And let's check the RS3 out. Make sure the traction control's off and then switch to realistic gearbox. Let me just change the app back into the middle. There we go. It's called engine diameter. We'll get in the revs. See what this does. It's a very fast car, this is. one did 800 brake horsepower, maybe just a little bit over. There we go. That's about it. You might find some cars will overheat because they've not got airflow. There's no way of solving that. You'd just be able to do 1 or 2 runs with each car, I would have thought. Some of them are better than others, but this one is a really fast car. We'll try one more vehicle. Let's try the Audi RS7. We'll use a 2019 model, replace current vehicle. Also, make sure you always back on the dyno. Just the way the straps are, to stop it from going forward. I'm going to put it in manual, turn traction control off. I reckon it'll probably do about 6, maybe 700, I don't know. I'd be surprised if it's faster than the RS3. Let's try it. Yeah. About 640. That's a good map. The car seems to like the dyno. But obviously, the more you damage your car, the slower it gets. So to try and get the power out of it straight away. But that is not a bad car. I love the Audi RS7. It's a fantastic mod. Like the crash details on this car is really good. I really enjoy this car. So guys, now you want to install all the content I have just been talking about. So what you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. There's a link in the description. Copy that into there and then press enter. These are all the files. You can download all a zip file or you can download one individually. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you quickly how to save for install the map. Okay, so right click and then download. So you've just downloaded the file, it's here, right? What I would usually do is either I would drag it and drop it into the file, but what you need to do is find your directory first. So go into documents, go into Beam.Ng drive, move here, and then go into mods, and then these are all your mods, okay? Just grab it and then switch it over to there. And I already have it installed, so just press replace and then close it down. Right, and if this mod doesn't work, any of the mods don't work for any particular reason, I'm going to show you quickly how to resolve that. So you've put the mods in, you've activated them, ECT. Now you want to make them work if they don't work. So go to open Beam.Ng drive. Instead of opening it, launch game, press tool support, press clear cache, and then standard cache cleaning. Once you've done that, open up your game again. Okay, and then go on to repository. Just make sure all the mods are installed and just double click on activate all mods and then the mod should be there. For instance, we've just installed that map, then the map is now here and all the other vehicles will be in there wherever you've put them. If you've liked this video, do me a favour, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will be making more content on Beam.Ng drive. Also, do me a massive favour, what's your favourite car down in the comments? Comment your favourite car in the game. Mine is the M135i, the BMW. It's a fantastic car. Also the RS3, because the RS3 is a bit of an animal. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.